Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix cannot verify phone number. This phone number cannot be used at this time issue on your Apple device in iOS 26. So guys, if you're facing this issue while logging in your Apple ID on your Apple device and you're unable to log in or log out to your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. And if there is any update available for you like this, then update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. Again go back and now go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN simply disconnect it, and after this go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then force restart your device for one time. For that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.